Hello, beautiful people. How is everybody doing? So I'm Maylene, as most of you probably know, and I've been in the fashion industry for over 18 years now. I've even started my own brand called Dragonfly, and now I just really want to share all the information that I have, whether it's about fashion history or starting your own fashion business or just tips and tricks about it all. As you can see, I'm actually outdoors right now. I'm so sorry for all the noise that you might hear around us. There are cars and crickets and whatnot, but it's absolutely amazing here. For today, I thought it would be a great opportunity to talk about beautiful traditional art forms and textiles. In this episode, I specifically want to talk about visiting the Bangkok home and Asian art collection of Jim Thompson, or also known as the Thai Silk King. Please know that this isn't a promotional video. I was genuinely impressed and surprised to hear about the history of his success in reviving Thai silk, as well as his mysterious demise, and gawk at the stunning architecture and the antiques he collected. First of all, this museum does not sell tickets online, and when you get there, they will explain to you that they only give guided tours if you want to go into the house. And I was glad I did. But before we get started, please remember to like, subscribe, and check out any of my other videos or share them with your friends if you think they might help. All right, let's get started. So, for those who like fashion, art, and history, this is a story you would like to hear. Jim Thompson built his house in 1958-59 on a plot of land across the canal from the Ban Krua silk weaving community in Bangkok. He followed all Buddhist religious rites and ceremonies before moving into the house. But his story and the revival of Thai silk began much earlier. Originally, he was an American architect and then a US military man working for the Office of Strategic Services, or OSS, which was apparent to the later CIA. After Japan's surrender in World War II, he was stationed in Thailand, where he set up the Bangkok OSS office. Enchanted by the country's unique character and by the city of Bangkok, with its people and their art, and seeing business opportunities, he decided it was the place he would set roots. And now determined to revive Thai silk, he passionately studied the craft, mastered the intricate techniques, and brought it back to life through the help of the local weavers. Now, through his keen eyes for design and the promotion of beautiful hand-woven silk fabrics, he established the Jim Thompson Thai Silk Company in 1951, which quickly gained international acclaim. His portfolio captivated many of the leading names in the fashion world at the time, including the designer Irene Sharaf, who made use of these silks in the Broadway musical, The King and I. Gosh, I loved that one. We in fact did a production on it in our school in Woodstock in India. It was amazing. In 1959, Her Majesty Queen Sirikit wore Jim Thompson's silks during her royal tour to the United States, which brought further fame to his brand. Now, unfortunately, in 1967, Jim Thompson vanished without a trace during a holiday in Malaysia's Cameron Highlands. His disappearance remains one of Southeast Asia's greatest unsolved mysteries to this day. Now, of course, various mysteries have surfaced, including kidnapping, assassination, or getting lost in a dense jungle. Now, despite extensive searches, Thompson's fate remains unknown, adding an air of mystique to his already captivating story. Now, his legacy lives on bigger than ever, with various boutiques and global recognition under its belt for its superior silk production. It also boasts of a 96-hectare mulberry and silkworm farm, which was established in 1982 to ensure a reliable and sustainable supply of raw materials. This farm is located in Pak Tong Chai in Nakhon Ratchasima province. Don't know if I said that correctly. It opened its doors to the public in 2001 as an ecotourism attraction and with a mission to preserve and pass on the cultural heritage of Isan, that each year welcomes visitors from December to the beginning of January to witness the silk manufacturing process. And not to mention that the brand returned to the screens with fabulous clothing and furnishing featured in the latest season of The White Lotus. I believe that one of the main reasons it has stood the test of time is due to the commitment to its philosophy to dedicate themselves in the preservation of Thailand's rich cultural heritage, staying true to its sustainable practices and timeless pieces. And honestly, this is what I love about it the most. And I do highly recommend that you go visit Jim Thompson's house in Bangkok. It is certainly an experience. So I suppose this is all the time I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed the story. Please remember to like, subscribe, and feel free to share this video with anybody you think might enjoy it or might find it useful. And of course, I'm always happy to hear from you, so feel free to send any comments down below. Have a wonderful weekend and see you next time. Bye.